If you've been getting those wonderful rejection letters, stay tuned because I'm going to show you a cool trick that you can use to test to see if you have a good resume or not. But first, tales from the field. And then I'm going to show you the turtle vents. And you can see the markings on the turtle vents. It's about 4 turtle vents up here.
Some hard work, not another day's of work. Hard work, that's what they say. Hard work, I earn my pay. Hard work, I get off the rock, I move on down. Got to go
Make sure your resume is quality. Doesn't matter if it's just proofread, it needs to be quality. Searching for jobs is hard, and you don't want to waste time sending out a bad resume. They're just going to take that, ball it up, and put it in file 13. The truth is your resume just isn't singing the praises that it should be singing. I'm going to go over 2 jobs that you should submit your resume to. There's been some repairs on this roof as well. And then I'm going to show you the turtle vents. It's about 4 turtle vents up here. The most popular job is the claims adjuster remote position. Maribel only had 1 job prior to claims adjusting, but after working with her resume, it helped her land a position with Renfro. Not everybody will be able to do that with the resumes that they're sending out. You need improvement. So the jobs here: hire new adjusters, and if you have a little bit of experience, you'll probably even be a better fit. A little bit of experience means that you just came off of deployment. So I want you to pause and pull up your resume because I'm going to go over building material. Here's a quick quiz. I'm going to show you 10 pictures. Now, out of these 10 pictures, which ones do you recognize? Number 1, what material is that? Number 2, do you recognize this? Would you be able to tell a contractor or speak contractor language about what type of damage this is? Number 3, can you tell where this damage originated based on the picture? Number 4, if you see this when you pull up to a residence, what's the first thing that you do? Number 5, how should you schedule your appointments? Especially if you're working from home. You'll still have appointments, you'll still probably have calls to make. How are you going to do them efficiently? Number 6, do you know Xactimate? If so, what's the line item code for a door in Xactimate? Here's another Xactimate question. Number 7, what is the line item code for roofing material if it was an Atlas chalet roof or a Horizon shingle? Number 9, where would you find the policy expiration dates? And number 10, what's your debris removal codes? If you scored at least an 80%, you'll want to come back to your resume and see why you're not getting other interviews with other companies. Your resume speaks for you before you ever get to speak to a hiring manager. So this is coming from the heart. Here's the tip that I want to give you. When you go apply for a job, I want you to go and apply for a traveler's position. It doesn't matter where, what city, just apply to a traveler's position. You see, travelers has a little bit of a process that will let you know if you're going to be a good fit for them. If you get your resume into their applicant tracking system and they reply back for you to take the personality test, then your resume is golden. If you do not get an opportunity to take that personality test, your resume may need some work. Now, when you get to the personality test, it's hard. It's actually really, really hard. You only get to take the personality test once every 6 months. Now, if you get to that personality test and you don't pass, I want to help you have the great resume like Maribel did, and just 2 weeks later, she was working with Renfro. Now, your results will only depend on how much you work after you have that resume, because you still have to apply. The jobs just don't come falling out the sky like a giraffe, okay? Those don't fall out either. And if you've liked this video and come so far, don't forget to like and subscribe so you'll be the first to know about any new job postings. I release them here and on our mailing list first. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.